welcome back to my channel. Today we're going for a full crease, full glam look. So I'm just using the Colourpop concealer to cover up my brows. I'm not doing my brows beforehand today. So I'm just using that as a base for this look we're going for. So I'm just pressing the concealer into my skin, ensuring we have a flat canvas base before going on to the Plouise base to use as a base for the red shade we're going for today. Today we're using the Juvias Berries palette. At the moment, this is one of my favorite palettes to use. It is so pigmented, like, you guys, I really love every single shade in this palette. Like, I have all my looks this week have been from this palette, so I am really enjoying the pigmentation of this palette. It is really bomb, like, and you can create so many beautiful looks with this palette alone. So I'm just using the Plouise base to cut my crease for today's look. I also wanted this video to be zoomed in when I'm doing my cut creases, so you guys can see the detail, because someone made the suggestion and I just thought it would be a good idea to do this as well, so you guys can see every single detail of what I am doing. Let me know what you guys think about this, and also should I do a full detailed video on how to cut your crease? Let me know in the comments, guys. And so I'm just patting this product in. I'm taking my time to do this step. You do not want the red to be in the base, so you just want to pat. Okay. I'm using the red base by Plouise to create almost like a half wing, but this is a wider one to use as a base for the red shade we're going to apply on there. And so I'm just packing that Juvias palette. I'm just packing that berry shade we used earlier to start off with. Sent these beautiful foundation sticks from Makeup Obsession, and I must say I really love them. I think I mixed the light shade a little lighter in this video, but overall I've been loving the foundation and the coverage it gave me, and also because it's a stick foundation. a Davis pencil to line my lip in this video. I also had to use the House of Tara lip liner in Afia, I believe. Then I used the classic lipstick in nude, I believe. I don't know, but that was what I used to achieve this beautiful lip combo as seen in this video. I also had to use my fingers to blend to ensure there are no creasing anywhere at all. Then you guys know I live and love my MAC highlighter in gold deposit, and this was what I used in this video as well. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I really loved how this look turned out, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Would you guys like to see a detailed cut crease tutorial and also a pending eyebrow tutorial as I initially stated? Let me know your thoughts on this look, and do not forget to share, to like, and also subscribe. And thank you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.